Now, NBC26 meteorologist Gino Recchia.
So far this winter, we've seen about 3 inches of snowfall, and that's really the whole snow season. We saw a little bit back in November, but really nothing has happened so far this December. And on average, we do pick up about 13 inches of snowfall for the whole month. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because we could be seeing some of that snowfall as we head into tomorrow. Here's a look at the time lapse today. We had mostly sunny skies, a beautiful day, but then the sun will be going away because the cloudy skies are going to be returning here as we head into tomorrow. Here's a high pressure. It's actually battling this area of low pressure down to the south. And what's going to happen is this high will prevent most of the snowfall from affecting the northern half of the viewing area. But the southern half will start to see a little bit of accumulation. Snow's starting to fill up a little bit here from South Dakota and Nebraska, and it's all going to be traveling to the east as we head into the next 12 to 24 hours. There are winter weather advisories in effect from the west, and it travels all the way to the east, which does affect the southern half of Wisconsin. If you plan to be driving south tomorrow, just a heads up, you are going to be encountering some poor road conditions. I think right along the lakeshore, probably not too bad because we'll have winds coming in off the lake. But if you go a little bit further inland, that's where we do have a better chance of seeing that snow sticking down to the ground. Here we are with the cloudy skies starting to fill in a little bit. But as we head into the day for tomorrow, that's when we have the best chance of seeing some of that accumulation early in the morning before we warm up above freezing. And then as we head into the evening hours, most of the snow will pretty much taper off. Winter weather advisories in effect for Marquette and Green Lake counties starts at midnight and continues until 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Now, on top of some of the snowfall, we're thinking about 2 to 4 inches for Green Lake and Marquette counties. There could be a little bit of a wintry mix, some freezing drizzle perhaps mixing into with some of this. That could cause some slippery roadway conditions. So take it a little bit easy, especially as you're heading out the door tomorrow morning. 5:45, starting to see that snow lifting up to the north from the south. And then as we head into about 11 o'clock, most of the snowfall pretty much covering everyone from along and south of Highway 29. As we get into the afternoon, that's when we start to see the wraparound of the snowfall moving eastward. By 7, 8 o'clock, really it's just a few flurries that stick around here. By Saturday, we're just going to be sticking around with mostly cloudy skies, at least in the morning. Then we'll get to even have some more snowfall later on. So for the first batch of snow for tomorrow, we're thinking about 2 to 4 inches from mainly along and south of probably of Highway 10, and then north of that about a dusting to an inch or so. Now as we head into Saturday, starting off dry, but later on in the afternoon, we do have another weak system that moves in here, and that could spark off additional snow showers, which could pick up especially in the evening hours when the sun comes down, maybe a dusting to an inch or 2 as we head into that time frame. Temperatures for tomorrow getting up into the lower to mid 30s. Normal high for this time of year is 34 degrees. So for tonight, we'll drop down to 26, northeast winds at 5 to 10. For tomorrow, we'll get up to 35 with a little bit of a wintry mix. Breezy winds, though, coming in out of the northeast, gusts near 25. Then 30s once again on Saturday, another wintry mix, dry weather all the way through Wednesday when we have another chance of a wintry mix.